Hi everyone, this is Deepthi Stephens and welcome back to another video for Craftangles. Today I'm focusing on the newly released liquid watercolors by Craftangles. These colors are vibrant and I have already swatched them on watercolor paper. These liquid colors comes in cute bottles. You'll need to pierce a hole through it. A drop is enough to watercolor the images. You can achieve different shades from dark to light from a little drop. I'm not a watercolor artist, but I love to be one. So here is my little effort on showing how to use these liquid watercolors. For my project, I used several stamps from Craftangles. The background of the card was created using masking technique. I first stamped on the cardstock and re-stamped again on masking paper, fuzzy cut it and adhered over the previously stamped image. This masking technique gives an illusion that one image is standing behind the other. I didn't do great with stamping, but that's not at all a problem because I'll go again on the stamped lines with a black permanent marker. Please click on the icon above to learn the basics of masking technique. By the way, I used Tim Holtz watercolor paper and an archival jet black ink, which is a waterproof one for my project today. So enjoy the video now. All the product links I used here are listed below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you next time.